Morning all. Hope you guys are able to hear me and able to see the screen which I'm sharing, right? Can someone please confirm?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Hope you guys enjoyed the weekend. So I just want to inform one thing that uh, this is the last class in this demo session. Tomorrow onwards, your institute is going to change the link. If you are confirmed with your slot, then only you guys are able to join from tomorrow classes onwards. Okay. So if you haven't joined yet, please contact the institute persons and you can pay your fees and confirm your slots. Okay. Tomorrow onwards, the link is going to be changed and you will get the link to the group which is created by your institute. Hope most of the people are there in the group. Okay. I think one or two people are not there out of all in the class. So if you haven't joined yet, please join. Okay. So let's get into the session. What are the topics we discussed in the Friday class? Can anyone list out the things which we discussed on Friday? Sridevi, Ayush, Tejashri, Ajay, Bhavya, Krishnaveni, Maunika, Prasanna, Grace. What are the topics we discussed on the Friday session? So on Friday, what we discussed?
Eclipse installation and how
Ex-
to use Eclipse and
Eclipse
errors.
exploration, and later we have gone through the arrays, right? So what is mean by array? Have you guys remember the topic or you guys forgot over weekend? What is meant by array?
Collection of elements. It gives continuous memory.
Sorry,
Collection of elements. It gives continuous
your
memory
voice is
location.
breaking. Your voice is breaking, Monica. Can you please speak loud?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, better, bit better. Yeah, go ahead.
It gives continuous memory location
Okay,
and it stores same type of data type.
okay, good. So, which we already discussed about the Eclipse exploration and array concept. Hope everyone is aware about how to create a project, how to create a package, how to create a class in the Eclipse tool. And later I have explained how to run the Java program and how to create a file, how to create a project. We have gone through all the exploration in the Eclipse. Okay. So hope you guys will install the Eclipse in your laptop. Did I told you how to install the Eclipse? Yeah. Here I already told here, right? Explained installation and exploration. Have you guys installed Eclipse in your laptops?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then fine. So and later I have explained the arrays concepts too. Array is nothing but we are going to store the similar kind of elements like same type of data type. For example, if you want to store the integer type of data elements, you should store only integer. We are not able to store character. If we want to store character, create character array, then we are able to store only character type of elements. We are not able to store integer elements. Okay, so that's the major concept on the array. Okay, so we have explained variables concept, data types concept, and arrays. We are done with these three in the first line, right? So today we are going to see the conditional statements. Today we are going to see the conditional statements. What are conditional statements? In conditional statements, we are going to check the conditions. If the condition is true, then the code is going to be run. If the condition is not true, the code is not going to be executed. Okay, so here the conditional statements is also called it as a selective statements. Selective statements. Or we have one more alternative name that is called it as a branching statements. Okay, so what are they? If, if else, if, nested if. Okay, these are the four types what we have. These are the four types what we have in the branching statements or selective statements or else conditional statements. Okay, we'll see one by one. When we use the if, when we use the if else, when we see the if else if, when we see the nested if. We'll see theoretical and practical both in the today class. Okay, let's get into the material. And tomorrow, as the new link is changed for the classes, right, I'm going to share the materials also from tomorrow onwards in the group, because if I share that today, few people may join in the group, right, so they have missed the materials. So that's why I'm going to share the materials from tomorrow onwards, Eclipse installation material. And now I'm going to share some materials regarding the selective statements, right? So all those materials are going to be shared from tomorrow onwards in the WhatsApp group, which is created by our institute. Okay, clear so far?
Yes, sir.
So we have branching statements. Yeah, here you can see we have if statement, if else statement, if else if statement, nested if statement. Switch is also there. Switch is also comes under the selective statement only. Okay, so we can take switch is also, switch also we can take. Total 5 we have. Let's see one by one. So here you can see, first, before going to the example of the every branching statement, let's see the syntax first. Syntax is nothing but skeleton for that particular concept. So now we are going to discuss about the if condition. If statement is used only to specify a block of Java code to be executed if a condition met true. It means here this statement indicates that the conditions which we are passing through the if is true. Then only it will come inside and execute the inside statements. If the condition is false, it won't go inside this loop and it will come outside that and it won't execute this inside statement. Okay, so let's execute same in the Eclipse 2. So hope the batch 18 is there already. Let me check it. Yeah, here you see, here in the under the Java program, I am creating a one class which is named as a if statement. Okay, I'm creating a class. I already told that the class name should start with a capital letter. That's why I'm using capital I here. If statement. Okay, this is a public static void main I have taken here. Finish. So here, what I can do now is, let's take that if statement the code here. For example, recently trending topic is elections, right? Let's take the same example. I'm declaring age equal to 18 years. Age equal to 18 years. Here, what condition I'm going to write here is, if age greater than or equal to 18. Okay, if the age is greater than or equal to 18, then I am able to cast my vote. I'm eligible for vote, right? So here I can see system dot out dot println, and inside println here I'm taking that eligible to vote. Sorry, inside, and here I can see eligible to vote, eligible to vote. So here, if it is 18 or greater than or equal to 18, condition true or false. A is equal to 18 here, 18 greater than or equal to 18, condition true or false. Is this condition true or false?
Condition true.
Condition true, right? If the condition is true, eligible to vote is going to be printed. So here you can see, let me run the code, Java application. Now you can see that eligible to vote. For example, if it is 17 here, what will be the output? Nothing, because it won't go inside this if block. So what will be there outside the if block? Nothing is there, right? So nothing will execute here. So that's the reason we are going to taking else block, that is called if else statement. If else statement. Here you can see, if is done. Now you can see the if else statement. If the condition is true, it will come inside and executing the if block, right? If the condition is false, it's going to execute the else block. It's going to execute the else block. If you come to this here, let me create one more class which is named as if else if, not if else if, only if else. Okay, if else statement, public static void main, finish. It's better if I delete all old files to make it equal to clear. So here, let me copy the same code here, and here what the major difference here is, we are going to take a else block. We are going to take a else block. Else, if the condition is false, else means if the condition is true, if block is going to be executed. If the condition is false, what it will happen, it's going to execute the statement which I am passing inside the else block. So in the else block I am passing not eligible to vote, not eligible to vote. So what will be the output now? What is the output for this program? Any one of you can try to answer.
Eligible to vote.
Is it eligible to vote or not eligible to vote? Please check it carefully.
Not
Eligible
eligible
to
to vote. Not eligible to
No,
vote.
no, it's eligible to vote only. Eligible to vote only. I'm just asking two guys to confuse. Okay. So here you can see that age equal to 18. 18 greater than or equal to 18, condition is true, it will go inside the if block and it will execute eligible to vote. That's it. The remaining code won't be executed if the condition is false. So here let me execute this. Right click on this code, run as Java application. Now you can see that eligible to vote, eligible to vote. Okay, so if I take this as a 17 or less than 18, so what it will happen, 17 greater than or equal to 18, is this condition true? No, condition is not true, then it is false, right? So when it is false, it's going to execute else block, not eligible to vote, not eligible to vote. Okay, so this is about if else statement, if else statement. And next one, if else if later. Are you clear so far here? How that if is work, how that if else is work? Are you clear about these two so far? Any more doubts on these two? If you are sitting silent, I can't do
No, sir.
anything. So if you have any queries on these two, you can tell me. If no queries, then we'll move to the next one. Grace, Prasanna, Maunika, Krishnaveni, Bhavya, Ajay, Tejashri, Ayush, Sridevi.
clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, cool. Next one is if else if. Next one is if else if. So how the if else if condition will work? If there is more than one condition. Okay. Else if statement is used to specify a new condition when first condition is false. It doesn't mean here that if else if is used when we have more than one condition, when we have more than one condition. Okay, so here you can see the syntax, how many conditions we have here. Condition 1, condition 2, condition 3, total 3 conditions I have. If I have more than one condition, I am going to use the if else if later, if else if later. So let me create that one class and we'll show it that one as well. Right click on this new class. In the class I am taking that as if else if statement, if else if statement, public static void main, finish. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here is, in the public static void main function, I'm going to take one condition here. Before going to take one condition, I have to initialize one object which is marks equal to 85 marks. I got 85 marks for example, or percentage, whatever it may be. So here what I can take here is, I am going to take a one condition here. If marks greater than or equal to 85. Okay, if marks are greater than or equal to 85, I can make it as a system dot out dot println. Inside that I can mark it as a distinction. Inside that I mark it as a distinction. Okay, I have to give within the double quotes. That's the reason it's showing an error. Okay, cool. Next condition, else space if. Okay, so I am giving one more condition here. Marks greater than or equal to 70. Here I am taking logical and here I am taking two conditions in the else if. So this is logical and which we discussed in the operators. Did I explain the operators to you? Did I explain the operators to you? Yeah, here I explained operators, right? On the day 2. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Audible or not, guys?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
So here I have taken the two conditions here. What are the two conditions? Greater than or equal to 70 and less than 85. What it means? I am taking comment here that the range is from here 70 to 84. If I got 70 to 84 between marks, then I can mark it as A grade. Then I can mark it as a system.out.println and the comment will be A grade. Comment will be A grade. Okay, by roughly I'm taking, don't assume that if I got 70 to 85 only A grade. Okay, just I'm taking for assumption purpose. Okay, again I'm going to take one more condition, else if. Here what I can do, let me take this condition and will change the values. Greater than or equal to 50, less than 70. I'm make it as a B grade. Make it as a B grade. Else I'm taking else directly here. So if you want to give few more conditions, you can give. It's up to you. I'm giving here else condition directly that if I got else means if I got less than 50, then I will mark it as a fail. I will mark it as a fail. System dot out dot println. Hi guys, I have a small network issue. Now it was reverted and resolved. So hope you guys are able to hear me and able to see the screen now, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, cool. Sorry for the interruption. Let's see here. Did you see this program explanation? Did you listen this program explanation or do you want me to explain again as we have a network issue? Please confirm guys.
Sir, can you explain it once again?
Okay, sure. So here you can see that We are talking about the if else if statement, right? You guys are up to clear about the if else and if else, if and if else statement, right? In if else if statement, what we did here is we are going to take a multiple conditions. This is one condition, this is one condition, and this is one condition. I have taken the three condition here. If you have more than one condition, then we are going to use a if else if statement. Then we are going to use a if else if statement. Okay, so here I have taken that space marks equal to 85. Now I have the 85 marks out of 100. So here I have taken a condition that marks greater than or equal to 85. It means that if I got the marks greater than or equal to 85, it means that from 85 to 100 marks, if I got any range in between that, the distinction is a status of the rank of the student is going to be printed. So if I got the range from 70 to 84 is nothing but greater than or equal to 70 and less than 84, or else you can take less than or equal to 84. Anything will be fine. Then A grade is going to be printed. And next one is, here you can see next one is 50 to 69. If I got a marks between the 50 to 69, then it is going to be printed a B grade. Okay, if I got less than 50 like 49, 48, 47, if I got like that, it will mark the status as a fail. Okay, don't worry, here this categorization I just taken for example. It's not accurate in our education system. It might be a bit different, that if we got grade less than 35 marks, then it is going to be failed. So for example purpose only I'm just taking it. Hope you guys clear with the conditions why we are using if else if, right?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
What will be the output for this program if I execute now? Can anyone?
Distinction.
Distinction.
Distinction. Okay. Okay, good. Distinction is the output for this one. Okay, so let me run this program, run as Java application. Now you can see that output as a distinction. Now you can see this output as a distinction. Okay, now we are done with if statement, if else statement, if else if statement. Okay, we are left over with two more things. One is nested if and next one is switch case statement. Okay, let me see the nested if now. Nested if is nothing but in name itself it is having that if inside the if. Okay, we are taking if block inside the if. Okay, but that is using only for two conditions. Here let me check once. Here you can see in if I have taken the two conditions in the one line, right, by using the logical operator marks greater than or equal to 70 and marks less than 85. You can take this single line code into the double code by using the nested if, by using the nested if. New and create a class. The class name is a nested if. Okay, these are very important topics guys. Okay, so please try to feed it in your mind. These are the basic concepts in the programming language, either it may be Java, Python, whatever programming language you guys are going to learn. These are the basic things. Okay, so nested if means I'm taking that if, let's take int space marks equal to 72 for example. Okay, so here I'm taking one condition, if marks greater than, so we can take, I'm taking that marks less than or equal to 100, and this is one condition. Inside I'm going to take one more if statement, if marks greater than or equal to 70. Okay, so here you can see that I have taken two conditions, marks less than or equal to 100 and marks greater than or equal to 70. Here the range is from 100 to 70. If you take comment section here, comment here, marks range will be 70 to 100. If you have the marks between the 70 to 100, what it will happen, it's going to print a some output statement which we are going to give here, system dot out dot println. Okay, So in this, I'm going to pass some statement there, A grade. I'm passing a statement A grade. Okay. So if I run this program, what will be the output?
A grade.
A grade is going to be printed, right? So are you clear about the if else if, nested if else? You guys clear with all these things, right? Do you have any doubts? Apart from switch, everything should be clear to all.
Sir, your voice is breaked, sir.
Yeah, I'm not speaking now. Hope you guys are able to hear me now, right? Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you clear about the if else nested if statements? Please confirm, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir, please
fine.
explain once more.
Which one? I think someone is asked to explain again. May I know which program I need to be explained? Guys, if you are sitting silent, I can't do anything. Please let me know which one has to be explained again. Ayush, are you clear about all four programs? Tejashri, Ajay,
Yes, sir.
Bhavya,
Yes, sir.
Krishnaveni, Grace, Monica, Sridevi, Prasanna.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Last program. Okay, last program means nested if statement, right, Krishnaveni? Please confirm, Krishnaveni. Nested if program, right? Am I audible, Krishnaveni?
Yes, sir.
I'm not able to hear you. Can you please speak loud? Which program you want me to explain? Last program means nested if program, right? Am I audible to you, Krishnaveni? Okay, cool. I didn't get her voice. So anyway, she messaged that the last program has to be explained again. This is the last program which we see, right? So Krishnaveni, please listen carefully here. So I haven't take any here. I just created a one class which is named as a nested if. I already told you what is the meaning of nested. Not only for this if statement, in further classes we are going to learn the loops. In loops also we are having a nested loop. Is nothing but loop inside the loop. Here we have a talking about the conditions, selective statements, branching statements, right? So nested branching or nested if statement is nothing but if statement inside if statement. This is if statement we are having inside the if statement is called it as a nested if. If statement inside the if statement is called it as a nested if. Okay. So here I have taken that variable int space marks equal to 72 marks. Now I got the 72 marks. So for that 72 marks I have taken a condition here. This is a code. If marks less than or equal to 100, okay, so the condition is true. 72 is less than 100, right? Condition is true, it will come inside the block, right? So after that it will check one more condition. Marks greater than or equal to 70. 72 is greater than 70. Condition is true, it will come inside and it will print a system.out.println A grade. Okay, this is about the nested if. Hope you guys clear now. Krishnaveni, are you clear now? If you guys are clear, we'll move to the next topic. Okay, so last topic left for the day is switch statement. Okay, very important guys, in the automation point of view, switch statement is very important. So before going to an example, let's see few points about the switch conditional statement in Java. Okay, so here you can see that a switch statement allows a variable to be tested for equality against the list of values. Equality against the list of values. So how equality against the list of values means? For example, we are talking about the grades here: A grade, B grade, C grade, C grade. A grade, B grade, C grade, D grade, F grade. Total 5 grades we have in the academics point of view. So I got something. Okay, so I got some grade like C grade, so I has to compare my grade with the available grades. We have 5 grades in the market in the academics, but I will get only one grade, right? So I have to compare my grade with the set of grades we have in the academics. Okay, that's what here equality against the list of values. List of values means list of grades in the academics. Equality is nothing but the grade what we got. The each value is called as a case. The list of values are called as a cases: case A, case B, case C, case D, like that. Case A means A grade, case B means B grade, case C means D grade, case D means B grade. Like that we are going to take. Like that we are going to take. Okay, clear about the point one? And second point is the switch statements works with these data types: character, short, integer and long data types. Only these data types are going to be worked for the switch statements. Switch statements works with character data type, short data type, integer data type and long data types. I already explained that what these are. These are the difference on the sizes of the memory. Short, int, long, both are integer only. Those three data types are integers only, but the difference is only on the sizes. Character means we are going to store the characters. Third point is the case values must be unique. In case of duplicate values, it will throw compile time error. So we are going to talking about the list of values like grades in the market, right? So those grades list should be the unique: A, B, C, D, F. Okay, all should be the unique. If there is same value in the grades like A grade, B grade, A grade, A grade, like that, if we have the duplicate values in the case statement, then it will provide a compile time error. Okay, we will execute this practically. You will get to know. If I provide this error practically, you will get to know very easily. And each case statement can have a break statement which is optional. Okay, each case statement we have a break statement. Here you can see case A statement and break, case B statement and break, case C statement and break. Why we are giving break every time? Here you can observe that whenever I have taken that char space grade equal to B, I am going to compare with the cases here: A, B, C, D. B is equal to A. Is it true or false?
False.
True or false? B is equal to A. True or false? Confirm, guys.
False.
False, right? It won't execute these two steps and it will come to the next case. B equal to B. True or false?
True, sir.
True. Then it will come inside this case and it will execute very good, and the break is going to be triggered. Whenever the break is triggered, the remaining possibilities we are not able to check. The program will exit the execution from here only directly. It won't execute the remaining steps. Okay, that is the use of the break. That is the use of the break. Okay, let me go to the Eclipse and will write the code. So what I can do here is, let me create one more program. Guys, today please try to practice all these programs. Don't think of that these are very small programs. Okay, if you haven't practiced, all these will be visible to you as a big in the future. Okay, so I'm going to take the class name as a switch. S should be capital, right? So public static void name and create it. So let me write this program. I'm taking character grade equal to B, and later I am passing the grade through the switch here. So let me take here char space grade equal to, I'm taking C. Okay, there is B, but here I'm taking directly C here. Um, and next what we have to do is we have need to pass the grade into the switch. We have to pass the grade values into the switch, and after that we have to open the brackets. And what should we do next? We have to take case space A, and we have to take this column, and inside the case A you need to print system dot out dot println. I'm passing here excellent. I'm passing here excellent. Next, if it is working fine, it should be break. It should be break, right? Next one, case B. Case B. In case B, we are going to take again system dot out dot println. In the println, I am offering here very good. Println I am offering here very good. There I can see a break. Next, case space, and I have to take the C here, and here I am going to take system dot out dot println. In this println I am taking here good. Okay, next I am going to take it as a break. Okay, next, case equal to case space D I am taking system dot out dot println. In the println I am passing here average, and then break. Okay, so this is the switch code I have taken here. What is the output for this program now?
Good.
Good. Okay, good is going to be printed. So here let me change this to B. What will be the output for this program?
Average.
Sorry, what will be the output?
Average.
Is it? Please check carefully. Take your own time and answer it.
Good, sir.
What will be the output for this program? Now it was 7:49. Take 2 to 3 minutes of time. I need answer by 7:53 in the chart. Please type that answer in the chart. I will check it. What will be the output for this program? Type in the chart here. Have you guys written the output? May I know the output for this now? Please respond, guys. Are you guys able to hear me? What will
Good,
be the
sir.
output for that program? Here,
Good, sir.
read these points carefully here. Here, read these points carefully. So, read third point carefully. What will be the output? You will tell me. What will be the output for that program? It will throw a compile time error as per that point. It won't be executed. It will throw an error if you run the program. Here itself it's showing an error, right? Here it will throw in compile time error. That's what they are telling. Because the duplicate values are here is D and here is we have the D. Both are the same elements. That's why it's showing an error. Okay, clear? Clear everyone about the today topics?
Yes, sir.
Hope everyone is clear about the topics which I shared so far. Okay. So tomorrow we can see about the loops. We have the loops, looping statement, for loop, nested for loop, while loop, do while loop. Total four kind of varieties we have in the loops. We can discuss on it. Okay. So hello sir, Ajay, do you want to ask any doubt? I didn't get your question in the chart. Please ask your doubt. I didn't get your question properly. Not able to hear you. Ajay, I'm not able to hear you. Main care statement. What it is? Ajay, I didn't get the things. Please ask your full question. Main care array. What? I didn't get. Please speak out. I'm speaking. Voice is not coming, sir. If I keep type in care statement ABD, the statement answer will come other than good by showing multiple answers. I didn't get. I'm not getting your question. I didn't understand the thing which you typed there. If you put the care in the statement, okay, you want me to put this character into here, right? Is it your doubt as per your statement? Okay, Ajay, I'm not able to hear you. So please check your. I will be there in the call, so you can left the meet and join again. Then your voice will be in place of C. In place of C, okay. If you keep a char, right? In place of C, you want me to keep a char, char, right? Am I correct? What if we place char in place of C? Then please exit meet and join again, Ajay. Exit meet and join again. Your voice will work then. Then you can ask. I'm not able to get your chart there. If any other students get to know what Ajay is asking, please let me know, guys. I will contact you, sir. Okay. Okay, fine. So, okay, will explain you. You can contact me. Hope you have my number in the group, right? You can reach out me. I will help out you. I didn't get your doubt in the chat here. Hope every other students are getting clear with the concepts which I explained so far, right? Okay, cool. Tomorrow we'll go with loops concept. Please try to practice the programs which I explained in the today. Have a nice day. Thank you all. We'll meet tomorrow at the same time. Bye bye.